he told me, he said, "You're rich, but I'm wealthy," because I didn't know the difference. And I said, "What's the difference?" He said, "Well, wealthy is when I die, when my kids die, when they kids die, when they kids die, we're still gonna have the same amount." And I thought about that. Then I said, "Okay, how you do it?" And he pulled out a piece of paper. After he said, "It ain't about how much you make, it's about how much you keep." How many times we seen cats would get the bag with 100 and then they go blow it the same day. Now they got to get another 100. So he said, if you got $100, you save that. That's 50. He said, rich people will say, okay, I'm saving 50 and I'm doing that. But he said, the wealthy does this. You save that. This, ball out. House, chain, car, whatever you want. But
75.
Save it, yeah. That's what he said. So, and I didn't spend my first NBA check until I started having families, because I was making so much money and I wasn't that educated. So I was like, I don't want to spend it. I know that.
Right.
And like people always say, you got to invest and got to invest, but still you got to be educated to know what you're investing in.
Right.
Like I always used to try to invest in the get rich quick schemes. I failed all of them.